Guys, it's Victor here, and today I have an unboxing to do on my mystery box. So this is the mystery box I'm ordering. This is an extra packet that I got last week that just came in yesterday. So I'm gonna open this first, and I'm gonna move on to this, and then just let me open this real quick. So here's an Echo One 34-inch gun bag. Oh shit, I guess they put everything in here. Hold on. Put a lot of tape. Let me just take out the MP5. This is I think it's SEMA MP5 high cap. I ordered a 260 round one. So that's one of them right there. I'm just gonna put it right here actually. And then here's 90 round MP5 mid caps right there, and then I have a 34-inch Echo One gun bag, which looks like it's pretty nice. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna move on to the mystery box now. The box is 30 pounds, so I'm pretty excited. Put so many boxes together for this, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a big ass gun in here. But too much tape, man. Should have got you a knife too, huh? There's too much fucking tape. Start chopping away. It's gonna be hard all day trying to open this fucking box. Alright. We should take out my sword and be like, oh!
I said that's the best idea.
There we go. Oh shit. There it is. A bunch of fucking paper. You can fit a body in here. Oh shit.
Victor's body.
Oh, this is 30. This is 30 fucking pounds. Yeah, just put it over there to the side of the room. This box is so plain. There. Oh fuck. I thought they said this thing was gonna weigh 12 pounds. Alright, so here it is. Let's lay it down for them. And oh shit.
Open it. They're like sexy.
Actually, let's turn it the other way. But they can see it. So here's a huge manual. PKM 762 machine gun. Just tells you all that shit, which I'm gonna actually have to read because I've never had a saw before. The whole thing comes very nicely wrapped in styrofoam. Oh shit! This bitch is huge, bro. All right, so this is it. Can you get it? Can you fit it?
Let's see.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna take out the stock first. Full metal, everything except stock.
The stock polymer.
Yeah, but I mean every stock is basically polymer, even in real guns. Yeah. So this is it. Let me hold it real quick. Oh shit. So it's a pretty big gun. My M82 is longer than this, but I mean the whole thing is pretty fucking badass. I like that. So here it is. Has a carry handle right here. So Jerome, if you wouldn't mind holding this.
Craziest boy.
Craziest. It comes with a 5,000 round metal box mag, self-winding. I heard you connect one battery to it and it winds. It operates the gun and it winds it while you shoot. There's this little switch right there. So this whole thing is metal. I'm not sure how to open this shit yet. So, yeah. Oh shit. You open that up, and then I'm pretty sure you just pull this out somehow, but I still don't know how to operate any of this. Yeah, battery will go in here. So here's the box mag. See some cables in here. I don't know what the fuck this is.
Probably adapter for a charger or something.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like some weird.
Or if the battery breaks or something, you just fix it.
Yeah. And there's nothing else in there. So we try connecting it.
Or check if there's anything inside of it, you know.
Not in here, nah.
No, I mean they might stash something in there, you know.
Nah, I'm pretty sure.
It never hurts to check.
How the fuck you open this?
So here, isn't it? This one.
Yeah, I think you're right. Okay, Chris.
But
Oh shit. You open it. Pretty sure BBs are just
That's
yeah.
the adapters for him.
That's what it's for, huh? That's what the adapter
So
there.
use lipos and shit out of it.
Yeah. Probably gonna put in the 11.1 in this battery, in this gun. I mean, maybe a 9.6. Well, it does have a controllable fire rate, so I'm probably gonna just put it on a high one. Let me see that shit. Where shall we try connecting it, sir? Which way would it go?
other way.
This way? Would it matter? Yeah, huh?
Hold on.
This shit is gonna be hard.
Okay.
Let me get the manual.
I don't even know. Let me see if I can figure it out. I saw that speaker.
Right over here.
Shall I do a review on this, guys? Press here, press you said in the front. Five part launcher. Oh man, this has a lot of fucking.
I think it goes this way.
This has a lot of
Goes that
things.
way. It's gotta go that way.
Let me see what.
That's fucking confusing.
Alright. Let me see what. Alright. So.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Close the lid. Hang the box on the bracket and clamp it well. Okay, can you hold this, boy? So hang the box on the bracket. So it would go on this side. Yeah. If it's not this side, it's gonna go on the other side. They told me it says to hang it. Man, fuck it. This shit is hard. This is to clamp it. Yeah. There we go. Right. Oh shit.
Okay.
Hey boy, this one.
I know, but I'm helping you.
I know.
You don't little
without
you
taking
don't
it
have
off.
to take
too.
50 pounds.
Oh shit.
You're not ready.
How
Well,
do
we
you
use
how do you
we-
fucking?
It says use a 8.4 or 9.6 in it only.
Oh fuck it. Yeah, it does have an adjustable rate of fire. I still don't know how to adjust it, but
At the
we'll
bottom,
get to it.
it sits under here. It says fast and slow.
All right then. So there's that. I'm gonna try getting the bipod out just so everyone can see.
Oh.
Get a view
I'm
of
gonna pop
it.
it down right here. You close this in and then you go.
Funny how my friends know more about my own gun than me.
Surprise.
There you go. So then,
Let's shoot Chris with it.
It's gonna.
let's shoot Chris with it.
Take one for the team, just to show the power.
Just to show the power. It's like 400 something FPS, bro.
First volunteer.
Oh my gosh, this
shit.
thing is freaking amazing.
Do we
I was
wanna
trying
do
to
a
find the
test fire?
fucking the AS valve.
Fellow
but I don't know
airsofters
if
at
it
Texas
is.
Paintball, prepare for this Sunday.
Oh, it's got the shoulder.
I'm gonna be
rest.
like,
It's got the shoulder rest on it too, man.
the fucking what?
The stock has the shoulder rest on it too.
Oh shit, yeah. That's probably for maybe extra storage, possibly in here. Oh yeah, extra storage. Little like
Battery.
compartment in here.
Yellow battery or something.
Flashlight.
A what? A flashlight.
Flashlight.
Fire selector. Yeah, it only has safe and full auto. Oh, I'm
Oh
sorry.
shit, the LMG.
Yeah,
Where's the battery?
I like how that
Oh
works.
wait, no.
It goes in here.
No, the actual battery. Like
The actual battery
That
goes in
operates through there.
It goes in here.
What the
Because
hell?
it winds that up and
It
then.
winds this up and it also operates the gun.
Damn, you're gonna need like 3 fucking batteries for this thing. You better marry your batteries.
I'm
man.
gonna have to carry like 3 on the field. Alright guys, so this is it for the unboxing of the A&K PKM Russian General Purpose Machine Gun. I don't know, it's a long ass name. But just search that up guys if you guys really want to see the gun. I have my gun bag, as I said, MP5 mags, and yeah, That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Crazy small.